Next we have hand picking. It is a manual method used to separate things. This method is preferred when the quantity of mixture is small, the unwanted substance present in smaller quantities, and the size, shape or color of the unwanted substance is different from that of useful. Then only you can use this. In this method also, we have advantages and disadvantages. This method doesn't need any special machinery for the separation of substances. As I said, it is a manual process and it takes only lesser time. But this method is not feasible for large quantity of substance. As I said, it is preferred only when the mixture is small and the unwanted substance present in the smaller quantities, and it should have size, shape or color difference in that size, shape or color so that it can be separated. Next we have sieving, which is a process in our day-to-day life we are using. Moms used to use this sieving tool to separate the mixture. The method in which two or more components of different sizes are separated from a mixture on the basis of difference in their sizes. For example, by mistake we have mixed pepper or something along with that rice or with rava. So it can be separated using the tool called sieve. The smaller component passes through. As I said, by mistake I have mixed pepper with rava. I need only rava, I don't want pepper. Pepper being a larger one will be there in the sieve itself, and the rava being a smaller component passes through the pores of the sieve. But it cannot separate two substances in a mixture which have the same size. Example, say mixture of chalk powder and maida being same color and same texture, and the size of the particles present in that is same, so it cannot be sieved properly. This sieving process is also used at construction sites to separate pebbles and stones from sand. They cannot use the raw sand for construction, so they need to separate pebbles and small stones and even gravels from sand, and some areas they need soft, smoother sand for plastering work. So they have to be separated using a siever like this. This man is separating sand from pebbles. This type of sieve is also used, and this is also used in construction sites. This is manual rotatory siever, and this we have to do it like our sieve.